My name is Matilda, founder of Divine Morula Company. I love Morula so much, and when I discovered what Morula can do, I was just blown away. I started making body products from a company called Divine Scents, your body butters, your lip balm and hair cream. And it was in trying to grow this business that I discovered that there's Morula oil. So Divine Morula was born from me trying to make my own Morula oil for my cosmetic range, the lip balm, your body butters and body lotion. And I found out that there's Morula oil. But then I also became drawn to the fruit part of it, because I discovered that Morula has got 8 times more vitamin C than oranges. And now, being a home economics and understanding nutrition, it was just something that I could not ignore. So I developed Morula juice, I did Morula jam, Morula concentrate, because my feeling at that time was, wow, we could actually have Morula products in the shops, Morula products in the hotel industry, because when people come into a country, they want to taste and what is local, and we've got such an abundance in this country. And again, knowing that Morula has that high vitamin C, I couldn't ignore it. My products, when I started the business, I was actually wanting to go into the hotel industry, so I was supplying places like Avani, Sanitors, Botswana Craft, and then when Corona hit, I had to re-strategize. We are now in a variety of retailers like Square Mart, butcheries, and we are getting ready to go into Mr. Veg, ShopRite, and even Spa. The other thing that we introduced this year was Morula Acha and Milo concentrate, because what my company is all about is just really that indigenous flavor. Like there's strawberry that. My idea is just really to have that Morula, this Morula, that Morula cheesecakes in Botswana. We are not exporting at the moment, but we're working towards that, fixing our barcodes and just finishing off the testing of our products. Yes, something that I'd like to export immediately is the juice, which is ready, and our jam, and also not only as a jam for the bread, but jam as a flavor that can be used by other manufacturers, which we are already doing in the country, supplying yogurt manufacturers and bakeries, because we are about that pure Morula flavor. BITC has exposed us to so many Botswana through this Pusha BW, which I just love. But what was the icing on the cake was when we got invited to the Tourism Expo in Kasane, where a whole lot of lodges and camps were interested in my products because of the Morula, and also knowing that Morula is big in Botswana, and even Air Botswana was interested at that time. But then with Corona it hit and everything changed. So now we've strategized, but still we trying to make the best out of it. I think for you to do business, you really have to be passionate about what you do. I love Morula to start with, and I think that's what drives me. And I see so many ideas coming, And BITC, with the Pusha BW thing that now has made Botswana look at our products and be interested in our products, is really good. And also just helping us and advising us in the market, the export industry that we all aspire to. I know there's an export program at BITC, which I did inquire about, but I wasn't big enough to be able to do that. But the advice that I got is for me to upscale, and then I can go back to them and get more advice in exporting.